Hey guys, Jason here for the love of tractors. Well, and it's new toy unboxing day, so kind of went over to our good friends Barry and Brian over at B&B Farm Toys and picked up a whole bunch of new stuff. So I know we got kind of a blank page here. Let's just get started. I'm just going to go in random order here. First up, adjust your camera, the Kinze 1051. I like these a lot. Just like not a super sort of whopper hopper type grain cart here. Maybe more typical of what you'd see on some of the smaller farms, or I don't know. It still obviously holds a lot of grain, but I like this a lot. This does have the single flotation tires on it. Excuse me. And all of the spec cast accessories. We will, of course, do a full video on each and every one of these toys this week, or within the next week or two. Got to get those recorded here. So next, I guess we're going to change it up a little bit. We've got the Elmers Haulmaster. So again, another spec cast grain cart, officially licensed. You can see there. This is the big 2000 model. I mean, this grain cart's a monster. It will be fun to set this down next to that Kinze when it comes time to do that video and do that. Let's see. I have literally just taken these out of the the case packaging, so it's kind of interesting to see. Wow, what's really interesting here is there's really not much information about Elmer's or the Haulmaster cart here. Pretty plain Jane boxing, so that's kind of interesting. So, but it's nice. It's a sleek looking box. I like it. I like the colors on it. Looks good. Look great on a shelf if you're the type of person to leave these in the box. Here is the Track 1051. These look cool too. Excited to get one of these out and see what's what with it. All right, next, I think we're gonna get into some heavy hitters here, guys. 9R640 Prestige. Have not had this out of the package yet, but I tell you what, looking at it here in the package, this thing looks killer. I think we've got a lot to talk about when it comes to the review video, and I actually just submitted an article for the Toy Farmer about these new Prestige tractors that John Deere are bringing out. Next up, 9R640. So obviously the 4-track version. Boy, this is a good-looking tractor. I can't wait to do a video on these. the hitch on the rear end looks incredible. You've got all your flashers, lights, mirrors, all that sort of thing. Wow, these are cool. These are super cool. And last, and certainly not least, I got a set of brown boxes. Okay, I'm just kidding. We'll have to open this guy up, though. If you guys are paying attention in the toy world right now, you probably know what this is. That's right, fellers. The Wagners are here. So, I actually ended up... actually brought 9 sets home yesterday, but 5 of them were already spoken for to a buddy of mine, so that leaves me with 4. Obviously, 1 I'll keep myself, and the others, hopefully, we can move, sell, and, keep doing this toy business thing that we got going on here. So this is just the WA 14. What's interesting about these is, so these are packaged in with the big tractors, so some guys have been splitting these sets. I just don't know if I'm going to do that yet. We'll see. But I just thought it was interesting. You open all your cardboard box. You've got your big Ertl packing box or Tommy packing box. Then there's a cardboard box, and then there's another cardboard box. Then you finally get to your John Deere box. Inside the John Deere box is a styrofoam, and inside the styrofoam is the 16th and the 1/64th version of this model. So I'm not going to go into too much detail on this guy just yet, because I will do it with the WA 17 as well. We'll just kind of do a comparo review, but I just wanted to get it out. Obviously, this is the new hot item. that everybody is after. This is nice. This is a really nice setup. Nice outfit here. I mean, this is literally the first peek I'm getting of this thing. So I did check it out at the National last year. They had the prototypes, but this is my first look at the real one. And so anyway, I obviously kind of want to look it over a little bit before I do a video and say something silly. But super cool. Super exciting. Probably one of the most anticipated releases of all time, for sure. And I'm very thankful to have access to some, thanks to my good friends over at B&B Farm Toys. So anyway, I think that'll do it for this little unboxing video. Like I said, each one of these are going to get their own video. So, and I will also do a video on the 1/16th version of these as well. So if you're interested in that, just stay tuned. I'll probably try to get a few out during the week, maybe like a Monday, Wednesday, and then maybe the next week we can do Monday, Wednesday, and I don't know, we'll see. But thank you guys for watching. Appreciate it as always, and happy tractor hunting.